Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. It is August the 16th. Oh my goodness, I'm a good boy. I'm a good boy. I've been trying to get this intro started. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got the sweet potato vine looking great over here in the corner. And the sweet Annie with the stevia and the ginger. It's a little crowded, but they all look pretty, look green. We got the sweet Italian basil. It's about 4 foot high probably. Got the Rutgers tomatoes. Been getting a few of those. Sunflowers, they're pretty much all done. Been letting the birds eat what's left that I didn't collect, but we got some pretty ones. And we got the big Tommy Toe tomatoes. Those have been really good. Some more basil. The marigold back up here. So the last video, we couldn't figure out what this was. It's a straw flower. Got that figured out. Got a nice green tomato in that bucket there, a couple in there. And the columbine hadn't started blooming yet. A couple zinnias, some nice tomatoes, broccoli gone to seed, more marigolds. Cucumbers didn't do very well. Green beans pretty much petered out. Got the geranium in there with the tomato that's not done that good. And our surprise squash was that thing. And of course the vine borers got the vines along with all my other squash type plants. And that was a yellow tomato. The Tommy Toes have been doing great over here. We got a lot of rain last couple days overnight, and I did pick a few, but the rain definitely made a few split as well. The chocolate cherries have done well. The Brad's Atomic Grape tomatoes have done well. Sweet Italian basil. The Cherokee purple that Miss Brenda gave us, 2 ended up not being. They're a red tomato, but they were still good. And we got the buckets outside the fence here. Been getting a few tomatoes. Need to pick those yellow tomatoes. Another basil here that's doing well with some tomatoes. I replanted these tomatoes. I think last video we had onions in here. That's all. There's 4 tomato plants in there. And then these other 2 beds, they've just got nasturtiums. This one looks pretty rough. We done picked everything out of those. The purple cayennes have done excellent in the bucket. Got a few in these buckets. I think that's a cayenne. And then we got the habanero here. Got a few habaneros in there. And then another purple cayenne's doing well. Basil with a few jalapenos. Zucchini and squash that were in the buckets, they all got tore up. I've been getting a few okra. Looks like I missed a few. The spaghetti squash did pretty good. I think we picked 8 or 10, and then there's another 6 or 8 to pick. Been battling with the vine borers. Got a few California Wonder pepper plants that's coming along. Planted them in here a little late. And then this purple little flower here, I don't remember what it was, Miss Brenda gave for Janet. And then that's one yellow tomato plant in the middle. Got a few jalapenos, 4 jalapenos on the corners. A couple of them are doing okay. See, that one's got quite a few jalapenos on it, if you can see up in there. And then we got some tomatoes replanted in these pots. Got a pepper plant down there with the sweet potato. And 3 tomato plants there that were added after I pulled the potatoes. They're getting some size to them. Those were clones. The pollinators, little bees and wasps, have just been tearing up the mint. And then the sweet 100s on the back side of the spaghetti squash. The chocolate mint from Mr. Zimmerman's just gone crazy. Not much going over here. We got the regular red cayenne pepper plants. This one over here is doing a lot better than this one. And then the borage actually reseeded itself in that pot. There's probably 6 or 8 plants in it. We got these purple wing wasp all over the place. They're pretty. Flew off. Got this New Guinea impatient looking pretty. Hadn't bloomed yet. A couple spider plants. A couple other pretties. Lantana and agritum. Got our big tomatoes. They've been doing well. I don't think we picked 25 pounds yet, but we were right over 20 pounds. And my chocolate cherry tomatoes are doing well. Sage, sunchokes are 10 feet tall. The berries have pretty much quit. Blackberries and raspberries are done. Been getting a few Romas. Corn didn't do anything inside the sunchokes. And we've been getting a few tomatoes out of the asparagus. And the air conditioner has run non-stop, as you can hear. I think it's 89, feels like 90 right now. It's been warm. So we got some bell peppers. Been getting a few bell peppers out of the shop vac. And then these were supposed to be regular bell peppers. And you can see they're not. And we got a few zucchini replanted. Hopefully they'll do something. Tell them, Tucker. Tell them, say hit that thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Till next time, have a great day. Tell them, Tucker. Tell them. Get them, Tucker. Tell them. Tell them, have a great day, buddy.